just in here reading lines, having auditions.
Yeah, the Kent State University Independent Films Mixer is it's a great opportunity for you to dip your hand in the water for just anything that KSUIF is getting involved with. It's a great place for beginners to start getting experience on a set, for actors to find roles. It's really it's a great opportunity.
And I'm Madison King.
It's pretty sweet. It's great. We have a lot of people like.
Thank you for having us.
It is a great opportunity. Wouldn't you say, Madison?
Oh yes, yes.
Absolutely.
It's going great so far.
No, but seriously, it's pretty dope.
Yeah.
It's pretty dope. I mean, there's a lot of people, more than I would have got on my own. So.
We love KSUIF!